Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the remarkable world of the human body. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe of the incredible capabilities of our bodies. So, without further ado, let's begin. Facts number 1. The human brain is the most complex organ in the body, containing billions of neurons that enable communication and information processing. It controls everything we do, from basic bodily functions to complex thoughts and emotions. Facts number 2. The human heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping blood throughout the body via a vast network of blood vessels. This vital organ ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell, keeping us alive and functioning. Facts number 3. The human skin is the largest organ, covering an area of about 20 square feet. It acts as a protective barrier, regulating body temperature, sensing touch, and serving as a defense against pathogens. Facts number 4. The human respiratory system allows us to breathe, taking in oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. The lungs, located in the chest cavity, have a surface area equivalent to that of a tennis court to maximize gas exchange. Facts number 5. The human skeleton consists of 206 bones that provide structure, support, and protection to the body. In addition to their mechanical functions, bones also produce blood cells and store minerals like calcium. Facts number 6. The human digestive system processes food, extracting nutrients and eliminating waste. It includes organs such as the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines, which work together to break down food and absorb nutrients. Facts number 7. The human muscular system consists of over 600 muscles that allow us to move and perform various tasks. Muscles also help maintain posture, generate heat, and aid in the movement of substances within the body. Facts number 8. The human immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that defends the body against harmful pathogens and foreign invaders. It recognizes and eliminates these threats to maintain overall health. Facts number 9. The human reproductive system enables the creation of new life. In males, the testes produce sperm, while in females, the ovaries produce eggs. Fertilization occurs when sperm and egg meet, leading to pregnancy and childbirth. Facts number 10. The human senses provide us with information about the world around us. These include sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Our sensory organs gather information and transmit signals to the brain for interpretation. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed our content and would like to stay updated with our latest videos, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our YouTube